How's it going, guys? Butcher's Block here, and today I have another Lockwood now. So I picked the baby bear of the shiny locks, and then I picked Papa Bear, but I realised I hadn't picked Mama Bear. So it's a 356S63 with extended shackle. That's probably that's the reason I got this one, because it's got a big massive shackle. I did have another one with a standard shackle, but I sent that one to steel pinnings, so I don't have another one to show the difference. But yeah, so this one got this second hand a little while ago. It does have a semi-restricted core. It's the LW29. I don't know what the 5415 is, but lovely. Oh, unzoom. Lovely. Pop works beautifully. It originally did not come with a key, so I had to get a blank and cut it. So a couple of good highs and lows there. Yeah, so let's get him to a vise and get him picked. All right, so let's just make sure he's all working and all that. All right, so I'm gonna go top of the keyway tensioner, one that I've made, and he should stick in there. All right, so I'm gonna go in with me SS Devon 15 thousandths. Let's go the short hook and pretty light tension. We'll click on 6, 4, that was 2. Right, to the back, 6, a little bit of core movement, 5, all right, overset, let him drop down. That was 2. I think those low cuts are getting in the way. Let's see what we got. 3. That was 6. All right, nice deep false set. All right, we are 1 away. Everyone is good. Maybe 6. No, I touched something. Let's get something with a little bit of reach. There we go. It was just number 6 hiding all the way back behind number 4. All right, let's get him gutted. All right, so Phillips down the shackle hole. Okay, standard internals for a Lockwood. Alright, let's lock him back up. And let's get a penny tray. All right, let's get a better angle and the music. All right. So, first the call, nothing special. So, a little bit of damage in there, but just a standard call, no drill protection. Yep, all standard. All right. So then we just got standard beveled pins. Come on. Standard beveled pins, not a crazy bevel on them. And they're just, look like just from the standard lab kit. And in all the chambers are the lovely thin-lipped Asa Lockwood spools. Awesome. All the springs are the same, which is very normal. And yeah, wow. Nice, fairly quick, easy pick for the mama bear of my shiny locks. Alright guys, that will be all for me today. Everyone out there, thanks for watching. Any questions, comments, chuck them down below. Yeah, stay well, stay safe, stay sane. And until next time, hooroo.